So in this tutorial I'm going to give you a quick guide on the text editor icons and what each one does. So when you first log into WordPress you might only see one row. The first thing you want to do is to click the last icon, toolbar toggle, and that just gives you a few extra features. So the first one is bold. So if you highlight text and click the bold icon, it makes it bold. Second one is italic, followed by strike through. So these icons are very similar to Microsoft Word, if you're familiar with that, or if you've used another content management system before. We then have a bulleted list. We have a numbered list. We can add a block quote, horizontal line. We can then align the text left, center, or right. We can then add a link. So to add a link, you need to highlight the text, click Insert Edit Link, and then you can either type in the URL which you want or search for an existing page in WordPress. So let's click About, and that will add the link for us, and then we add the link. We can remove the link by either deleting it or breaking the link by clicking this icon here. You can create a few headings. So if we type heading, left align that, you've got a drop down here where you can select heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Now I recommend starting at heading 2, the reason being the main page heading, that is heading 1, and in my opinion you should only use the heading 1 once on a website, followed by heading 2. So in the page content you can go heading 2 or heading 3, heading 4. The usual way we code it is that we reduce the font size as you get higher in number. So heading 5 will be smaller than heading 4, heading 4 will be smaller than heading 3. So here we can underline the text. This isn't recommended as it gives an impression that it's a link. So if you can avoid doing that, that is recommended. You can justify the text. You can change the text color. So the text color is usually defined in the CSS file, but this does give you the ability to override the font color. Now we can paste as plain text, and that removes all the formatting that might be carried across from another software. So Word, for example, can carry across a lot of styles and formatting. If that's causing issues, you can click paste as text, then paste it in. This icon is to clear all the formatting, so if we click that, reduces all the colors, underlines, and so on. Here we can add a special character. We can indent the text or decrease the text, and here we can undo. And that's a quick overview of the default WordPress icons.